Do you want to build a truly massive retirement fund but dread the thought of spending every evening tracking stock prices and market dips? Then you need a set it and forget it investment portfolio. This is the ultimate strategy for anyone aged 17 to 50 who understands that time, not timing, is the key to wealth. The secret is simplicity and automation. You set up recurring, automatic contributions to a highly diversified, low-cost investment, specifically, a single target date fund or a simple three-fund portfolio using low-cost ETFs like VTI, VXUS, and BND. These options are perfect because they are already diversified across the global market and they automatically rebalance for you. You do the hard work once by setting up the automatic transfer, and then you forget it, letting compounding growth do the rest for the next few decades. Stop overcomplicating your financial future. Today, we show you the two simplest, lowest maintenance portfolios available. If you want to put your wealth building on autopilot, hit that follow button now.